One of your main tasks is to make the customer stop on your page even for a while. You can achieve this by designing your profile to be more visually attractive. In this lecture, I will show you a few ways to do this. First of all, set up your avatar. The profile photo is the first graphic element that the client sees among the offers for their project. There is a simple rule: a good photo doesn't guarantee that you will be chosen as a performer for the project, but a bad photo guarantees that your offer won't even be opened. Upwork has some requirements for the photos you use. Above all else, it has to be your photo and only yours. Forget about kittens, puppies, and random stock photos. You will be asked to go through a verification process with a camera, and if there is no match with your profile photo, your account might be banned. For Upwork, it is crucial to clearly understand how you look. That means it's better to forget about group photos. Next, pay attention to producing a professional photo with a plain background. Complex elements around you might distract Upwork as well as clients. It is also important to show a smiling face without things covering you, such as sunglasses, hats, etc. Finally, Upwork doesn't allow you to improve your photo with graphic editors. This means that significant changes, such as adding logos or transforming the photo into an illustration, are forbidden. That being said, a small color correction or adding a contrast is considered okay for Upwork, so users can actively apply such adjustments. The next thing to look for is your profile description. In comparison to Upwork algorithm, where only the number of keywords in the profile description matters, a real person will read its content to better understand whether you are suitable for doing the task. I have some advice on how you can better design your overview. Number 1. Pay special attention to the first 150 to 200 characters of your description. That's how much Upwork displays in the search results of the Freelancer catalog. The next border to look for is the first 500 characters that will be available for preview when customers open your profile in the search results. Number 2. Remember that the first 150 to 200 characters are precious few, so don't waste them on. My name is, I have more than 10 years of experience. Number 3. Share your experience and skills. Number 4. If you have a constant workflow of working process, don't hesitate to share information about it. Number 5. Don't forget about calls to action. Your profile description has to finish with a certain call to action: text me, press the hire button, let's plan a call, and so on. Number 6. Structure and format your profile description. Use lists, paragraphs, backgrounds, and emojis to focus the customer's attention on something you consider important. The next way to improve attractiveness is to work with additional sections. Discussing your profile from the perspective of the Upwork algorithm, we mentioned that adding keywords to the employment history and other experiences sections does matter. From the client's point of view, these sections should confirm what you have written in your profile description. If you stated that you have over 10 years of work experience, there should be references to the places or projects where you have worked. If you describe yourself as a skilled specialist in a particular field, it is desirable to have certificates that confirm it, and so on.